today, Mopar and Dodge SRT unveiled the new 2020 Dodge Challenger Drag Pak at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada. This car is factory certified for 750s in NHRA and NMCA competitions, powered by a supercharged 354 cubic inch HEMI V8, and backed by a 3-speed turbo 400 transmission. Here's Mike Rossi, Chief Engineer of the Drag Pak, to tell you a little bit more about it.
This is a new Mopar Dodge Challenger Drag Pak. It is a factory-developed race car. This is the fastest car we have ever built. This is a factory-offered, factory-developed race car that you can buy and go racing with off the trailer. This new Drag Pak has a supercharged 354 aluminum HEMI mated to a 3-speed racing transmission that is manually shifted. This car is available with parachute, wheelie bars, straight from the factory, fully engineered, validated, and meets the performance of this vehicle. The Hellcat hood with its heat extractors gives us the best aerodynamics and the least amount of front-end lift. This car has an upgraded roll cage and chassis that are engineered together. So there's a safety aspect, there's a sanctioning body, specification aspect, and then there's an engineering aspect to get us the best performance out of this car. When the car lifts its wheels and you gotta bang the shifter and get it all right, when it's right, it's really good.
The Challenger Drag Pak starts out as a narrow-body Challenger body in white and comes from the factory with a SFI-compliant welded roll cage that's good to 750s in the quarter. It also comes with a strange rear axle assembly and uses adjustable coilover shocks, 4-link suspension with wishbone and anti-roll bar, and wheelie bars and the parachute mount are integrated into the chassis and standard. Up front, a unique engine crossmember lowers the center of gravity and improves weight distribution, and Bilstein double adjustable struts are used up front. And as mentioned before, under the hood is a supercharged 354 cubic inch HEMI V8, backed by a turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission that is manually shifted with a quick shift manual shifter. A lightweight drive shaft, front and rear racing brakes, race tech seats, race pack smart wire, fully programmable power distribution center, and a new exclusive Drag Pak lightweight wheel and tire package are all standard. A new graphics package is standard, which is a modern throwback to the muscle car years of the early 70s, and Mark Trossel, head of design for Dodge and SRT, said that they want the graphics package to look so cool that when a customer buys a Challenger Drag Pak, he or she wants to run these graphics because they're so iconic and stand out. Other exterior changes over the previous third-generation Drag Pak is the Hellcat hood and the Hellcat front and rear fascias. The Drag Pak is going to be a limited production of 50 numbered units and will be able to be ordered through your local Dodge dealer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about the 2020 Dodge Challenger Drag Pak. Take care, and we'll see you guys in the next video.